Almost every organisation delivering a product or service sits within a supply chain of other organisations. Whilst we typically focus on the performance of our own organisation, it is essential to remember that we can only be successful if our whole supply chain is successful. Our demand management connects with our suppliers' capacity management, and this is true at all the levels of the whole supply chain to efficiently deliver the valuable end output to the final customer who sits at the end of the long supply chain. Every link in the chain must succeed together. As we look at the methods of demand and capacity management to enhance our business operations, we need to keep this collaborative view when connecting with our suppliers and customers. Forecasting, inventory management, purchase order systems, demand fulfillment, these are all aspects that have to be worked out together. As the famous quote goes, "Supply chains compete, not the individual companies within them."